Dear developer, today we will learn the method of interfacing 20x4 LCD with ATmega2560 microcontroller. Any LCD module that contains HD44780 based controller can be interfaced using the present technique. The present video contains items used in our development, actual connections in demonstration, the relevant connection diagram, essential aspects of coding, method of generating static display over screen, and the display changing dynamically. Here is the look and pinouts of one 20x4 LCD module. It is fabricated over a PCB. Our first task is to connect these terminal pins with the microcontroller properly. For this, we need a pot, typically of 5K resistance, and a screwdriver for its adjustment, some jumper wires, one Arduino Mega2560 board, which is already equipped with one ATmega2560 microcontroller. We need a breadboard for setting up the connections. Two top rows of the breadboard will be used as two buses, a plus 5V bus and a ground bus. VDD pins of LCD is connected to plus 5V bus. The pot is inserted on the breadboard. Its two extreme end terminals are connected to plus 5V bus and ground bus. The middle terminal is connected to V0 pin of LCD. The RS pin of LCD is connected to D2 pin of the Mega board. RW pin is grounded. E pin of LCD is connected to D3 pin of the Mega board. Now DB4, DB5, DB6 and DB7 pins of LCD are connected to D4, D5, D6 and D7 pins of the Mega 2560 board respectively. The LED A pin, that is anode, is connected to plus 5V bus. The LED K pin, that is cathode, is connected to ground bus. Now the 5V of the Mega board is joined with the plus 5V bus of the breadboard. Similarly, the ground pin of the Mega board is joined with the ground bus of the breadboard. The entire connection diagram is shown now. Please note that our actual connections as shown before follow this connection diagram exactly. A library, that is header file, named liquidcrystal.h is used in our code. Liquid crystal is a type of object defined in the header file. This object is used to create our application named LCD. The command lcd.begin contains the specification of the LCD board used. The number 20 means the number of characters and 4 means the number of lines in the LCD. The location of cursor is set by the setCursor command. A character is displayed at the current position of the cursor. The current position can be changed at a particular row and column of the display screen using the command. The print command displays series of characters with auto-incrementing the current position of cursor. In the code, Our application LCD is created using liquid crystal object which has already been defined in the library. The LCD is initialized using lcd.begin command. The location of cursor is manipulated properly using the setCursor command. Then the messages are displayed in different lines. Delay command should be inserted at intermediate steps so that the LCD hardware gets enough time to make itself ready for the intended application. Finally, the code is compiled and uploaded to the Mega board. Now, the fourth line of display is going to be changed dynamically. The technique of creating a dynamic display is that the old line is flushed out by writing a blank line in the same position first. Then the new line is written there. This is our development. The corresponding code is shown here.